Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl mama. What's up? In today's video I'm going to show you how to make these delicious Nigerian buns, and if you want to know how I achieve it, stay tuned to the end of this video. So to begin, I'm going to add all-purpose flour in a bowl, then add sugar, add my salt, pinch of salt, and a nutmeg. You can check the description box of this video for the recipe. And add my baking powder, yes, and give it a good stir. Just add up the whole dry ingredients and give it a good stir. Yes guys, then after that you grate a hole. So I'm going to grate a hole inside the dough and add 2 large eggs. So next is to add my melted butter inside and give it a good stir. Next is to add my vanilla extract and mix it again. Then after that I'm going to use half cup of fresh milk. I will be adding it a little by little just to get the consistency that I need. Yes guys, you can as well use water, but milk is preferable. So guys, you are going to mix it until it's sticky. Not watery, not hard, but to get the consistency that we need, you know, just a sticky dough, but not that watery. So you must be careful when you are mixing it. So guys, at this moment, as you can see, this is the consistency that I want. You can see how the dough is looking. This is how it's supposed to be. So now I'm done mixing the dough. The next is to add my oil on the fire, just like as if we are frying akara. Just fry it on a medium heat, not too much hot. You will fry it up to 10 minutes depending on the size of your dough. As it fries, turn it from time to time. Don't worry if the dough develops any crack. It's normal with buns. So I'm going to leave it to fry for 8 to 10 minutes because the dough, the size is big. So guys, I ended up frying mine for 10 minutes until it's golden brown. Depending on how brownish you want it to be, then you can remove it out and put it in a towel or a paper to absorb the excess oil. So that is it guys. But before I forget, if you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe. Share your thoughts at the comment section down below. I will be glad to see you in my next upcoming video. And if you are my OG returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. I see you. So guys, you can see how brownish my buns is looking. Yeah, this is the way I want it to be, and it's looking yummy. So beautiful people, I believe I've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. See you in my next upcoming video, because as of now I am out. And don't forget to check out my other videos. There is end stream that will pop up at the end part of this video. Please check it out, and God bless you. See you in my next upcoming video. Bye. Ciao.